In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send batch payments in Xero. Whether you're a business owner or an accountant, streamlining your payment processes is vital for efficient financial management. Xero, a popular online accounting software, offers a straightforward way to make batch payments, saving you both time and effort. Let's walk through the steps. First, you'll need to open the Xero website. Make sure you're logged into your account to get started. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to navigate to the Purchases section. This is where all your purchase transactions are managed, and it's the place where we'll set up that batch payment. Next, click on Bills. Under this tab, you'll find a list of your bills, including those that are awaiting payment. You'll be focusing on these bills in particular because we're going to gather them for our batch payment. Once you're in the Bills section, look for the Awaiting Payment tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the bills that you need to pay. To create a batch payment, you'll want to carefully mark each bill that you wish to include in this batch. Take your time here to ensure you select all the correct bills to avoid any payment mistakes down the road. After you've marked all the bills you wish to pay, click on Make Payment. This will direct you to the payment options where you can choose how you'd like to process these payments. Now, select Batch Payment from the available options. Batch payments allow you to pay multiple bills in one go rather than handling each one individually, a real time saver when managing numerous bills. Click Continue and you'll move forward to entering the necessary payment details. Here, you'll need to input the payment date. Make sure to choose a date that aligns with your financial plan and availability of funds. You'll also have to select the bank account from which the payment will be deducted. Double-check that this is the correct account to avoid any unnecessary complications later. As you proceed, enter any other details required, such as the payment reference, which might be useful for your records or for the payment recipients. This helps keep everything organized and traceable. Once you've entered all necessary details and have double-checked everything for accuracy, it's time to complete the process. Click Make Payments, and with that, you are done. Xero will process the batch payment, and you can rest easy knowing your bills are taken care of efficiently. That's it for today's guide on sending batch payments in Xero. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth and efficient payment process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.